Today we are diving into a delicious but controversial topic. Jasmine rice. Is it a diabetic's best friend or a blood sugar spike waiting to happen? Buckle up because we are about to separate fact from fluff. Jasmine rice, with its delicate aroma and fluffy texture, is a staple in many Asian cuisines. But beyond its culinary charm, it is also touted for containing essential minerals, vitamins, and even antioxidants. But for diabetics, the big question is, how does it affect our blood sugar levels? Here is where things get interesting. Jasmine rice, like all white rice, has a relatively high glycemic index, a measure of how quickly it raises blood sugar. A GI of 70 to 80, like jasmine, means a faster spike compared to low GI foods. But wait, there is a twist. Brown jasmine rice, with its intact bran and germ, contains more fiber. Fiber slows down digestion and glucose absorption, leading to a gentler blood sugar rise. So, brown jasmine might be a better choice for diabetics than its white counterpart. Remember, the magic of managing diabetes lies in the whole plate, not just the grain. Pair your jasmine rice, brown or white, with protein, healthy fats, and plenty of non-starchy veggies. This balanced approach helps slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Even good things can become not so good in excess. Portion control is key, so keep your rice serving size in check. Think small, think side dish, not the star of the show. So, is jasmine rice good for diabetics? It depends. Brown jasmine, with its higher fiber content, is a better choice than white. But ultimately, it is about moderation, mindful pairing, and portion control. Remember, jasmine rice can be enjoyed as a part of a balanced, diabetic-friendly diet, but not as the main event. That is all for today, folks. Feel free to drop your thoughts on jasmine rice and diabetes in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy insights. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and keep your blood sugar in check. Bye bye.